Si Nico sa ganung ayos. Sige anak, tulog ka lang. Narinig ko sabi ni Nanay Luisa. Dahil doon ay muli ako nahitlog dahil matindi talaga ang antok ko. Pero nagising ako sa
Akala ko ako yung tinatanong.
Pagdilat ko, ng mga mata ko ay isang lalaking nakaputi ang tumambad sa paningin ko.
Sad daw siya.
Ang doktor,
Hi everyone,
medyo
I'm
nahihilo
Kate
ako dahil sa
here.
bitin ng tulog at
Uy, naka-record
I'm
yun
Con
eh.
here.
Hinintay ko siyang masalita.
Tawa ka ng tawa.
Pero ring nakita sa isang
I'm laughing because you are so funny. I want to greet my fans over there and over here and over there. Now, I miss you guys so much. Hope to see you in our tour later.
Later talaga, later.
I mean, we have a world tour. What time is it?
It's already 3:10.
I'm asking you the time of our concert.
I think
Stupid.
7?
7 o'clock?
Yeah.
PM?
No,
And-
AM.
I think we should cancel it because we have school tomorrow and we need to attend school and we should not be tired. No.
Narinig ko ito at pagdilat
Oh. I just want to say hi to because I miss you so much.
And she don't know what to say.
I miss you so much. Please talk to me.
Now,
Message.
nag-message. Why, Delilah?
ang hila sa akin ni Nanay Luisa matapos pagpapahid ang buhok ko nang tumagkit
So,
sa mukha ko.
Apple siya, you know.
No.
Nananaginip lang ako nung napapunod. Hindi pa kaya ang asawa ko. Habang magkahawag kami ng kamay ni Nanay Luisa sa pagkakaroon.
Meron kasing sa dito na kausap namin. Uy, basta namimiss na kita.
Sino ba?
Kilala mo naman kung sino ka eh. Mag-message ka na kasi sa akin. I've been waiting for your message since, kailan ba yun?
Friday.
Since Friday. What went wrong? Tell me what's wrong. I don't know what's wrong with you, you know. So, I think we're gonna see you again later and we're gonna make this video about how much I miss you. Two syllables. Pwedeng si pwedeng si pwedeng si Basta, I miss you so much. So, sino ka man? Alam mong gustong-gusto kita, diba? Then you should talk to me. I don't know what's wrong with you. You're so nakakainis. Nung nalaman mo na ganon, bigla ka lumayo. Akala ko ba best friend lang? Eh, bakit ka ganon? You're my everything. And I'm so stupid that, you know, I miss you and I like you so much. I like you the best. Bye. We're gonna see each other.